Hello everyone, welcome to the DevOps Planet. In this video, we will see how we can install and configure the Terraform tool on our system. So first, why we need the Terraform? So Terraform is an infrastructure as a code software tool by which we can automate the resources. So by a resource means we can create the AWS resources, GCP cloud resources, Azure cloud resources, Akamai CDN, CI/CD, and other resources using Terraform. So let's see how we can install Terraform. So for this, go on Google and type Terraform install. Then click on this link, install Terraform. So this is the official documentation of the Terraform. So scroll down and based on your system, select the tabs here. So I am installing on Linux system. So I'm clicking on Linux and then you can select your OS. So I am installing on Ubuntu. So these are the steps which I need to follow to install the Terraform. So I'm just simply copying these commands and pasting it here. So it will read some packages and install the software common properties on my system. Just press enter, press enter. Okay. Now the second command is we have to install the hashcorp GPG key. So I'm copying this command and pasting it. So it is done. Now we have to verify the keys fingerprint. Okay. Okay, that is done. So we have gone the same output here. It means it has done. Now scroll down, again copy this command and execute. So we can see that now we have added the official hashcorp repository to our system. Now we need to update the packages because we have added the official hashcorp repository in our system. So it has been updated. Now to install the Terraform, here is the command which we need to execute. So just press enter, press enter. Okay. So it will install Terraform on my system. So this has been done. Now let's verify whether I have the Terraform installed or not. So for this command is Terraform. So I am verifying the version of the Terraform. So I have the Terraform version and it also shows that it is installed for Linux AMD 6.4. So if you want to see the Terraform help, so the command is terraform hyphen hyphen help. So yeah, so the command is terraform hyphen help. So by which we can see the Terraform. So that is how we can install the Terraform on our local system. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this.